Hey guys, this video is about to explain how to delete multiple number of pipe network or multiple number of pressure network. So in the tool space, we have 5 pipe networks and 5 pressure network. So I'm going to click on this network option. I'm going to choose this multiple pipe networks. Right click and then say delete. Oops, right click, hold control button and then click on delete. So when I said delete, so it will not delete all the network or all the pipe network, one single activity. It's the same thing with the pressure network as well. So you can choose here, so select this pressure network, right click, hold the control key and then click on delete. So it will not delete in one single time. So how to delete all these one single activities? For that, go to network options here, right click and click on create folder. So this one, I'm gonna name this folder as a test. So select all these lines, so all these networks, drag and drop into the folder. So all this network is inside this folder now. The same thing with the pressure network as well. And I'm gonna add this a folder name as a test. I'm gonna add this folder here. I'm gonna choose all this network, drag and drop into this test folder. So now all these unwanted pressure network lines or unwanted pipe networks is in the respective folder. So select this test folder, right click, delete folder. So it will ask you to, would you like to delete this pressure network? If in case of you want to delete all the network, just click on delete objects, or else move the objects to the parent object collection. So if you click on this, only the folder will get deleted and other networks will be assigned to the network. So in this case, I want to delete all the networks, so I'm going to click on this delete objects. So this is how we can delete all the pipe networks or all the pressure network in one single activity. So this option is available in 2017 Civil Ready version as well. Okay, thank you guys.